Hi, we're Val and Nuri. After renovating our van all summer, we're taking a much needed break by heading out west. Come along on the adventure as we continue to explore the beautiful Sedona, Arizona. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell so you never miss a video.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice.
Okay, we're at the Soldiers Pass trailhead. There's a cave up ahead, as you can see. Let's go. Nuri likes to leave me behind, so I assume he's up ahead, but who knows? There he is. And Nuri has left me. I don't know if he fell off the side of a mountain or got lost. He doesn't say I'm going up here or anything. He just disappears. So just walking around seeing if maybe he'll turn up. There's so many people here not wearing masks. Yeah, enjoy the outdoors, but like try to be considerate of other people. Just pull your mask up when you're passing someone. It's blowing my mind how many people just do not care. I need a break. I need to catch my breath. Wait, can you wait for me, please?
You can do it. Is it not doable?
I guess the more famous part is very crowded right now and most people aren't wearing masks because they don't care about spreading the virus. But we found another little cave area, but it's kind of hard to climb up. But Nuri did it.
I'm done.
Guess I'll go down before we slide into the cactus.
if you run, you would go down.
I know, I don't want to fall off the mountain.
Yeah. Hey.
Beautiful. Wow. This view, babe. All the people are crowded that way. And it's a lot more spacious over here.
This is our good night's sleep. Okay.
We found our own cave.
For our size.
Yeah.
I like the feel of sitting right here. Oh, and then arches all around here.
Yeah.
Don't like my taxi poses?
Love it.
Alright, here too. Get me.
Ooh.
Get me with my dad tree. This is how I am inside.
Okay.
Like, we can do like, you know, Michelangelo.
Yeah. Oh my god. Is it a drop off?
Yeah.
I don't want to go.
This is the last time you guys see me.
Yeah. And we never saw Nuri again.
It's a good place to die.
I don't agree. Yeah, I don't want to go further.
Huh?
Scary.
Okay. Drop off, man.
I need you to come down.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. I'm getting a little nervous.
We will go up this way, but it's a little harder to get from here. Let's see. Might be easier from the other side.
Why?
Just sending you my love.
Throwing sticks at me is how you show your love.
Yeah. This is a big rock. Tree here.
Wow. That is interesting. You look really cool. There he is, becoming one with the nature. He's turning into a tree. I mean, it looks very comfortable. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Don't get any closer. Do we need to go that way? Okay. It's really scary. Don't like being that close to the edge. It's a forest.
Look at this. So Valerie went to do some business in the jungle. As you can see, she's about to do it. And I'm entertaining myself with these amazing roots. Look at them. So beautiful. Especially look at this backdrop. It's so majestic, the mountains and the vegetation, and these roots are so beautiful. They're so aesthetic. Cold. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. We can do it. We're going to this narrow path. I see the light. I see the light. I take it back. This comes here, but it doesn't connect it anywhere. Try it. She's an adventurer. Look at her dirty clothes. She is being on a mission of this mountain. So it's been a very challenging climb for us, but we figured it out. Valerie, she has scratches all around her body Now adventure continues. Here is waiting for us a big challenge. How are we gonna go down to this mountain? Despite this beautiful view, hiking here is very challenging. You can slide off, break your ankle, break your whole body. But worst is breaks your heart. And there's a broken heart coming. She's a goat. Goat is coming and she's hungry. She's gonna eat all the berries on the on this jungle. I see footprint. Those are probably our footprints. You good? She survived again. She's giving me heartbeats because she's so beautiful. This is our tree.
Oh, we made it back.
Yeah. Gonna go to the human zone again. Sexy hike. How many people? You can hear them. Wow, so noisy.
We're finally out of there. I think it would have been really perfect if it weren't for all the people not wearing masks and just not caring, people being jerks. But other than that, it was great. But we came on a Saturday on a holiday, so I guess it's our fault. Well, we just came from Santa Fe where everyone on the trail wore a mask, so I don't know, we just didn't think it'd be that much different a state over, but I guess we found out the hard way. Now we have a long way back to walk back to the van because the parking next to the trail is very limited, but we found free parking like half a mile away. Sadie's gonna be really mad at us because her lunch was 2 hours ago, but she'll be fine. Almost there. Finally made it back. Sadie's happy, feeding the cat.
Now
We're feeding ourselves.
Are you not taking photos?
I'm talking to the vlog. Ow!
Oh, you okay?
I don't know.
Did you tear apart your hip?
My leg just like slammed into this.
Go down. That was cool.
Super cool. Pretty amazing.
Oh no! My beautiful installation was destroyed.